In recent years, the term blockchain technology has gained popularity and is often associated with cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. However, blockchain technology is more than just a tool for digital currency transactions. It is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform various industries and change the way we conduct transactions and store data. In this video, we will explore what blockchain technology is and how it works. At its core, blockchain technology is a distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. The ledger is a series of interconnected blocks, each containing information about a specific transaction. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted, making the ledger secure and tamper-proof. Blockchain technology uses complex mathematical algorithms and cryptography to secure the transactions and ensure the integrity of the ledger. Each block contains a unique cryptographic code, called a hash, which makes it impossible to modify the contents of the block without changing the entire chain. Blockchain technology enables peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks or financial institutions. This eliminates the need for trust in third parties and reduces transaction fees and processing times. To understand how blockchain technology works, let's take an example of a credit card transaction. When a customer makes a purchase using a credit card, the transaction is processed by a bank or financial institution. The customer's information and transaction details are stored in the bank's database, which can be vulnerable to cyber attacks and breaches. With blockchain technology, the transaction details are stored on a distributed ledger, which is maintained by a network of computers. Each transaction is verified by multiple nodes on the network, making it secure and immutable. Blockchain technology is not limited to digital currency transactions. It can be used for a wide range of applications such as supply chain management, voting systems, and identity verification. Blockchain technology can be used to create secure digital identities that are verifiable and tamper-proof. This can be useful in industries such as healthcare, where sensitive information needs to be protected. Blockchain technology can be used for supply chain management, where each transaction in the chain is recorded on the ledger, from the production of goods to the delivery to the end customer. This ensures transparency and reduces the risk of fraud and counterfeit products. Blockchain technology can also be used for voting systems, where each vote is recorded on the ledger and is tamper-proof. This can increase transparency and trust in the election process. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform various industries and change the way we conduct transactions and store data. However, it is important to note that it is still a nascent technology and requires further development and adoption. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. It uses complex mathematical algorithms and cryptography to ensure the security and integrity of the ledger, and enables peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform various industries such as finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and more. However, blockchain technology also presents challenges such as scalability and regulatory hurdles. The technology is still in its infancy, and further research and development are needed to address these challenges. To sum up, blockchain technology is a revolutionary technology that has the potential to transform the way we conduct transactions and store data. It provides a secure, transparent, and immutable ledger that can be used in various applications. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovations and applications of blockchain technology in the future. Thank you for watching. We hope you have gained a better understanding of what blockchain technology is and how it works. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.